this video, I will explain you how to create post-workshop survey. First, click Add-ons, Click Form, and then Load Form Template. After that, you can search post-workshop survey and click the template and load selected template. You can also check the dashboard, responses, questions, and settings. After you refresh the page, click Click Form, Get Link, and click Continue. Choose your account, and then click Advanced, and go to Click Form. Then just click Allow. After you get the link, you can copy it and paste it into your search engine, like this. And now the form is ready to use. You can also edit it in your Google Spreadsheet. Go to Questions tab, and for example, you want insert one row. For the Questions tab, I use text, and then for example, name, like this. Also, you can change the questions like title. You can check, it will change into title. Also, you can delete the row if you don't need it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. Besides, you can also edit the background color of your form, for example, from blue into pink, like this. Thank you.